Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of refraction. The question is a ray of light traveling through rarer medium is incident at a very small angle I on glass slab, and after refraction its velocity is reduced by 20%. Then the angle of deviation is option A I by 8, option B I by 5, option C I by 2, option D 4I by 5. So first of all I draw the diagram to see what is angle of deviation in glass slab. This is normal. This is incident ray. From rarer it is moving in denser. So this is refracted ray. This becomes angle of incidence and this becomes angle of refraction. If I produce the incident ray, then this angle will be angle of deviation, say D. So now first of all we see what is given to us. Given angle I is very small. Now we see what formula to be used. Formula. According to Snell's law, sin I upon sin R is equals to refractive index, which is equals to speed of light in air upon speed of light in medium. Since angle I is small, therefore angle R will also be small. Therefore sin I is nearly equals to I and sin R is nearly equals to R. Therefore our formula will be C upon V is equals to I upon R, and V is equals to 20% reduced. So it is 80% of C. 20% less means we are left with 80%. So now we see the solution for this question. Solution. From diagram we can see that D plus R is equals to I. Therefore angle of deviation is I minus R. Now C into R is equals to I into V. So C into R is equals to I into 80 upon 100 C. This C gets cancelled. Therefore R is equals to 8 by 10 I. Now what will be the value for D? Therefore D is equals to I minus 8 by 10 I, that is equals to 10 minus 8 I upon 10, that is equals to 2I by 10, that is equals to I upon 5. Therefore our answer is angle of deviation is equals to I upon 5. Hence option B is correct. Option B is correct option. Now we see in the question, option B is I upon 5. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.